In this video, I'm going to show you how to add pronouns on your Instagram bio. Okay, as usual in this channel, we don't waste the time of our viewers. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Open Instagram. After opening Instagram, you will see various options here. What you want to click on here is your profile picture to the right here at the bottom. Just tap on it. Then you will see a button for edit profile and share profile. We are focusing on the edit profile button. Just tap on it once. Then you will see various options from the top: your name, username, and everything, bio and link. What you want to focus on here is the pronoun. Just tap on the third text field from the top, this one for pronouns. Then you will choose your pronouns. Okay, and now you can see, you can say him, like for me, I'm a man, him, his, and such kind of stuff. Then you will, after doing everything and making sure that you implemented everything and you've put the correct pronouns, just click on the check button to ensure that the pronouns are saved on your profile. Then make sure you tap on this to show to your followers only, or if you want everyone to see your pronouns, you can now just leave it like this. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.